That's the front side. It's 1/8 inch just basswood. Just testing out cuts, but xtool P2s so far has been meeting my expectations for sure. You see how fast that cuts in real time. That's stock setting, you know, using the presets in Xstudio. So I couldn't be happier with the quality of the cuts. I mean, there's not much charring on the sides. My old 50-watt laser would for sure have more char and more overspray. You can see there's not much overspray here. This one, only because I was testing out, I did a lot of a real heavy percent when I was engraving, so that's why you see a little bit there. But all of these, not much at all. You don't see anything on there. So, but yeah, P2s xtool, it's definitely meeting my expectations. I mean, it cuts acrylic that fast too, 1/8 inch for sure. I did 3/16, a little bit slower, not much, but that's quick. So, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, hit that notification, guys.